Right there. Oh. You get him?
No, I hit right behind him both shots. I set him up. There you go.
Maybe.
Oh, that was a big old rabbit.
Now that pup is opening some. I mean, it's a little confused, but it just...
He's a lot further advanced than my pup. Not really.
It must stay right around.
Both shots.
I see like smoke or hair or something. I was like, man, he's close. Dang, I can't smell him down through here. Where's he at, guys? Justin's got the game. Which way did he come out? He's just sitting in there right now. Here he comes, Justin. He's probably going to come around to your left, Justin. Here, no, that's a bird. Up the hill, guys, up the hill. Right there a little bit. Oh. I got him. I missed him. Imagine that.